morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are start our new academic year. Today's our topic is computer system. Students, what is computer? As we know and we have already learned in our previous classes that computer is an electronic device which accepts data from the user, processes it and gives the desired output. Students, let's move towards the evolution of computers. The development of computers has been classified into generation. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation of computer is vacuum tube based computer. It is started in the year 1940 and its end in the year 1956. Second generation of computer is transistor tube based computers. It is started in the year 1956 and its end in the year 1963. Third generation of computer is integrated circuit based computers. It is started in the year 1964 and its end in the year 1971. Fourth generation of computer is microprocessor. It is started in the year 1976 and its end in the year 1999. And the last fifth generation of computer is artificial intelligence. It started in the year 2000 and it still continued. Students, we will learn about computer peripherals. The word peripheral came from periphery, which means at the edge or border. In computer terminology, peripherals are the devices which are connected to the motherboard. Peripherals devices comprise input devices, output devices, storage devices. What is networking? Networking is the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common profession or special interest, usually in informal social setting. Now, advantages of computer network. Networking of computers is a basic need of today's world. Let us study the advantages of computer networking. Speed. Sending and receiving file using a computer network save time and is more convenient as compared to the file sent manually. Cost efficient. Individually licensed copies of many popular softwares can be costly. Storing the software on a file server and then make it available to the other computers connected to it save money. Security. Sensitive files and programs on a network can be protected by a password. They can be available to authorized user only. Sharing resources. Resources such as printers, fax machines, scanner, and modem can be shared by connecting them in a network. This saves space and is economically available. Disadvantages of network. Following are the disadvantages of a computer network. Number 1, server fault. If the server develops a fault, then user may not be able to run the application programs and chances of data loss increase. Number 2, virus attack. Data present in a network is prone to thief or virus attack. Number 3, costly. Need to hire professionals to manage the network, which is costly. Number 4, performance degradation. As traffic increases on a network, the performance degrades unless it is designed properly. Number 5, network increase. It becomes difficult to manage when the number of computers in the network increase. Let's move towards basic components of a network. The different components listed here are required to connected computers in a network. Number 1, server. A file server is a computer that manages storage and retrieval of files. A print server is a computer that manages printer in a network. Number 2, workstation. A workstation is a computer intended for individual use in a network. It is like a personal computer except that it is connected to other computers and the server. Number 3, network interface card. Network interface card is a piece of hardware placed inside the system unit. It is designed to allow computers to communicate over a network. It provides physical access to a medium. Number 4, transmission channels. Each computer in the network is connected through transmission channels. These channels can be wired or wireless. Data is exchanged between computers in a network using these channels. Let's see types of network. The network can be categorized on the basis of the geographical area as described below. Local area network. When computers are interconnected within a limited geographical area, then it is called local area network. Wide area network. When network is spread across cities, countries, or even continent covering a large geographical area, then it is called wide area network. Client or server architecture. Client or server architecture is defined as a specific type of a network which consists of a single powerful computer acting as a server, usually connected to multiple computers called clients. Peer to peer architecture. Peer to peer architecture is a type of network in which each workstation has equal capability and responsibility. It is simpler to install as compared to client or server network. Students, today's last topic is network topology. What is network topology? The physical arrangements of cables, computers, and other peripheral devices forming a network is known as topology. Types of network topology. A few of the network topologies are described here. Number 1, bus topology. A bus topology is made up of a main single cable with terminators on both ends. It is the shared communication medium that makes the backbone of the system. Number 2, star topology. Star topology is the most commonly used topology. Here, all the workstations are connected to a central connection point called a hub. Any data that is sent to the other computer first goes to the central hub, and from there it is redirected to the destination computer. Number 3, ring topology. In a ring topology, every workstation has exactly two neighbors for communication purposes. All messages travel through a ring in the same direction. Let's take a quick review of those things which we have learned today is what is computer, evolution of computer, computer peripheral and its devices, networking, advantages and disadvantages, component of a network, types of a network, network topology and its types. Now on this slide, you can see the home task. Students, you have to do this work in your copy. When the school will begin, the work won't be repeated again. Thank you all. Stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you all.